In this video, I will show you how to use Snapchat live location feature. First, make sure location is enabled for Snapchat. Long press on the Snapchat app, then tap on the app info icon, which will take you to app settings. Here, tap on the option of permissions. Now tap on location. Make sure that you have selected allow all the time or allow only while using the app option. Then toggle on the option of use precise location. Once that is done, launch open Snapchat, then tap on this Snap Map. If this is your first time using Snap Map, follow the on-screen prompts and allow location access when prompted. Once you're on the map, tap on this settings icon. Here, make sure that ghost mode is toggled off, otherwise your location won't be shared with anyone. You can also choose who can see your location, such as my friend, my friends accept, or only these friends. Now, you have the option of sharing live location. Tap on the settings option here and make sure that you've allowed all the permissions from here. After that, head back. Now to share live location with a specific friend, you can simply tap on this send option or open the chat option, open the chat from here and then select share live location. Choose how long you want to share your live location and Snapchat will update location in real time for that friend during the selected time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.